Aaron, what's up, man? This is Elvis. I wanted to send you this video going over a few key details and important things about your website and just send some helpful information your way. So, it looks like you've got a Google site right now. So those free ones that the Google My Business listings will create for you. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, it's a nice spot where people can come online to actually find you. The problem with it, though, is that it's not very customizable. Really, everything that you do inside your Google listing is going to reflect up here. So, like the posts that you make obviously show up here. It looks like you've been making some posts recently, which is awesome. And then obviously any pictures that you have here. So, I mean, right now, the things that you could do on a regular basis to increase the rankings for this site is obviously just making more posts, adding more pictures, but also naming your pictures, keywords. So if we look here, it's like right now the image is just 2021-9-17. So really, if you change the image file name to say Plumbers Bakerfield or Plumbing Company in Bakersfield or Drain Cleaning or whatever it is. You've got a lot of different services that you have here. So like water heater repair Bakersfield. All of these keywords that people are searching on Google, Google will come in here and read those file names, and it will overall increase your rankings. So really that can help a lot with your actual local listing, which is Plumbers Bakersfield, which is these little things right here. So if you go in and do a couple of things and just consistently make posts, consistently add images, get a lot of reviews, all that kind of stuff, you'll see yourself in these ranks right here, which is extremely helpful if you can get to that #1 spot. Now, if you wanted to dominate the organic rankings, which are these right here, these websites, what I would recommend is getting an actual website made or making one yourself. I'll show you an example. This is actually a site that I built. But if you decide to go that route, and if you build something out yourself, what you want to focus on really is the amount of content that you have on the site. So if you scroll through here, you see I've just got a bunch of different words. You've got the images and all that kind of stuff. If you see here, I'll show you the. Let's go to a different one. Nope. So you see here we got working on Plumbing Gilbert. So that's kind of an example of what I mean by saving the file as a keyword. So as you're building a site like that, just adding a bunch of content, a lot of information about plumbing and plumbers and plumbing services and all that kind of stuff. Google wants to provide the most relevant experience to its users. So when you come around with a site that's got a lot of information about plumbing and Bakersfield and all that kind of stuff, Google will see that site. And it will, naturally want to show it to more of its users on their search engine. So when you can, understand that and kind of not really manipulate, but use, Google's algorithm to your advantage, then that will ultimately help you out. So let me know if you have questions about like making your own site, or if you wanted to talk to me about making one for you. It's extremely valuable to have something like this. It's really just a digital piece of real estate that you're putting on the website there. But going over to the site that you've got right now, you could definitely make a lot of money with something like this. You just kind of have to give it time and continue adding content and making posts and adding images and all that kind of stuff. So check that out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to go over anything else for you for free, give you any advice or tips or anything like that. And if you need anything else from me, just let me know. So I appreciate it, Aaron. You have a good rest of your day.